Over 30,000 slots were released last Saturday, that is 14th of May, and through the evening of 15th May, that is Sunday. Yes, you heard me right. Many people were able to book their student visa slots and many unfortunately were not able to board this train. But do not worry if you missed this occasion. The details about the slots that were released and the upcoming slots that are going to be released are in this video. Do not forget to watch the video till the end. Hello, Namaste, welcome to my channel. I am Pragnya, your visa and immigration guide. If you're interested in any topics related to visas, immigration, studying abroad, work abroad, then definitely subscribe to the channel and I will keep you updated with all the latest updates. In my previous video, we had anticipated and decoded the press release of the US Embassy in which they had spoken about 2 bulk releases for student visa categories. Yes, and last Saturday they had made their first bulk release. Historically, 30,000 slots were released here. The first time so many slots coming up in 2022. Many students were able to book their visa slots in this 24 hours, that is starting from the morning of 14th May, that is Saturday, until 15th May, that is Sunday. The system also crashed. It's completely obvious because many people trying to log into the system together, leading to the system crashing, and a lot of high voltage drama took place. But if you were not able to book the slots due to any reasons, let's say your I-20 was not there on time, your documents were not ready, or whatever be the reason, if you were not able to book the slots, then what next? This is what we are going to discuss in today's video. As we had earlier mentioned that the embassy had told there will be 2 bulk releases. So the first one is gone now. The second bulk release, that the second set of slots will be coming up for the dates of July until mid of August. And when are you going to expect the slots? As I have already told, the embassy has not given a particular date on which they are going to release the slots because the system gets crashing as so many people try to log in at the same period of time. So obviously they have not given a particular date, but we do expect that this will be coming in a couple of weeks or maybe 3 weeks to come. By the end of May or early June, we can expect that the second big release will come. But let me tell you, 30,000 or more than 30,000 slots have already been released now. So do not expect a similar big release to be coming up in the second bulk release. This is going to be a slightly smaller release than the current one. So it's very, very important that you monitor 24/7, that you be on high alert, you keep all your documents ready and you be completely prepared to grab that occasion or grab that opportunity, because that could be your last chance. The second thing that I want to tell you is about the students who were having previous visa rejections. So as I had mentioned in my previous video, the students who had previous visa rejections will not be able to see the slots in this bulk release, or even if they see, they will not be able to book the slots in this first 2 bulk release. And I had also mentioned that there will be a third release for slots starting from the second half of August until the first of September. So there is going to be a third release, but that is going to be a very small release. Only 15,000 slots will be released. So if you are having previous visa rejections, or if now you have got a slot and unfortunately your visa gets rejected, then you will be able to book a slot during that time. So this 15,000 slots are going to be majorly dedicated to all those students who had previous rejections. So make sure you grab that opportunity if you had a rejection, because that is going to be most probably your last chance of getting into US on an F1 visa this year. So make sure you keep everything ready by them. Make sure you are 100% prepared. 24/7 monitoring is highly important at this point of time. I know it's very difficult. You cannot be there on the system for 24/7. There is a limitation of 12 clicks and other issues. The account gets frozen. Do not worry about that. I have made a video on tips and tricks and hacks on how to book appointments. You can go through that. Take some professional help if you need for booking those slots. And to prepare yourself and to be interview ready, you can always contact me and I will help you out to be interview ready, and we will be having a full mock session with you. So that is something that I can do on my part. And on your part, what you have to do is to monitor 24/7, is to get a slot and make that happen this, it's impossible getting a slot during this time. And also whenever there is going to be a bulk release again, it is 100% sure that the system is going to crash out again. So it makes it more and more difficult for you to get a slot. But I don't want to dishearten you, I don't want to discourage you. You can still have a chance. All you have to do is to be alert, to monitor 24/7 and grab that opportunity when it comes. As of now, I do not know the date, but again I am telling you, for the students who were previously rejected, the dates are going to be in the second half of August until 1st of September. So expect the release to be sometime in later part of June or July. And for the second bulk release that is going to happen now recently, maybe after a couple of weeks, by the end of May or early June, it's definitely going to come. So be alert. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will definitely keep you updated with any information, any news that comes with it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.